Are you planning to buy a carpet and don't know where to start? Well, you've stumbled upon the right place. Today we're diving into the key aspects to consider when you're on the hunt for that perfect carpet. So sit back, relax, and prepare to become a carpet connoisseur. Firstly, consider the room where the carpet will go. High traffic areas such as a living room or hallway demand durable, stain-resistant carpets. On the other hand, a plush, soft carpet might be perfect for a bedroom or a personal study. Next, think about the carpet's material. Wool, for example, is luxurious and durable, but it comes with a higher price tag. Synthetic materials like nylon and polyester are more affordable and offer good stain resistance. Then there's the eco-friendly option of natural fibers like jute or sisal, which can add a unique touch to your home decor. Size is another important factor. A carpet that's too small can make a room feel disjointed, while one that's too large can overwhelm the space. Measure the area carefully and consider how the carpet will fit with your existing furniture. Color and pattern also play a huge role in your decision. Light colors can make a room seem larger, but they show stains more easily. Dark colors, conversely, hide stains but can make a room feel smaller. Patterns can hide dirt and stains, but a bold pattern might become overwhelming in a large room. Don't forget the underpad. While it's easy to overlook, a good underpad can extend the life of your carpet, provide additional comfort underfoot, and even offer some insulation. Last but not least, remember to check the warranty. A carpet is a considerable investment, and a good warranty can protect you against premature wear and tear. So, to wrap things up, when you're buying a carpet, remember to consider the room's usage, the carpet material, the size, color, and pattern, the importance of a good underpad, and the warranty. With these considerations in mind, you're well on your way to finding the perfect carpet for your home. And remember, the right carpet isn't just about looks, it's about finding a balance between aesthetics, functionality, and comfort. So take your time, do your research, and happy carpet hunting.